may not be able to hear me. The microphone's been moved. Not the second. Yeah, second day down here. First day, bit of a non-event because we had a day of rain, so we found ourselves way down here via the bus and had a walk around the jolly old town of Hastings, which was quite nice. But now we're off in glorious sunshine. Just going to amble along to Folkestone, Dover, see those sights as it were. Have a bit of effing and blinding this morning with the cardo thing. My own fault. I messed about with it trying to get Dave's to work, and it seemed to have lost the connection to the sat nav, which is very annoying, but not major. It's currently sort of mid-20s, nice and warm, so we're basking in the sunshine as it were. As you can see, it was quite pleasant. Yeah, Hastings Old Town is quite quaint, almost a sort of got a Brixhamy feel to it, a bit of fish, very much into their fishing, the beach, boats on the beach, get the teeth in, boats on the beach, and the little black tarred sheds where all the fishermen work, and quite a few selling fish direct, which is nice to see. Well, here we are, A259. What a pleasant road, not so much traffic, although it has its moments. It's a nice sweeping bends actually, it's quite surprising. Quite sort of agricultural countryside sort of feel to it. Especially the mud on the road, which you may be able to see. Pass through a couple of nice little villages. As I say, there's some very touchy little hairpins, catch you out once in a while, just sort of come out of nowhere, as do the bends. It's rather like, I suppose, the bends up further north, as we have here. Nice little radius bend, nice bit of camber on it, quite pleasant, has to be said, even at these modest speeds. Say that if I had to sort of state one pleasure of motorcycling, it's going round bends. It's not going straight line, rather boring. And then you can look at the views, etc, etc. So, we're now east of Rye. I think the next destination is Hyde. I don't know why that Hyde rings a bell. Is there a ferry goes in Hyde? I don't know. Never been there before. Say rather a virgin to this part of the country. So far, pleasantly surprised, albeit the fact that it's relatively built up. It's not a pleasure land for motorcycles, despite this current piece of road. Brookland, wherever that may be. We're on, to say, 259. All the way from Hastings, all the way across to Dover, Folkestone. Right, Dim Church, we've just passed through. It's been quite pleasant actually. This particular building here, I'm not quite sure what these are. That's the second one I've seen. Obviously have some purpose. Lighthouse observation, I don't know. So, anybody cares to enlighten me, I'll be appreciative. The one thing I would say that it's all very pleasant, actually very nice, some of these places. What slightly disturbing is that bloody Great Sea Wall. It's like you might need a little boy to stick his finger in the dark if something goes wrong there. I'm assuming the sea is higher than the land here, which is always a bit of a concern, I guess. But obviously it's been like that for some years, hence this would have originally, of course, all been marshland. So yeah, very pleasant, very pleasing. A little bit of an ability to sort of roll along. Traffic's heavy, as one would expect. Lots of little seasidey places to stop, which I didn't really envisage, not having been here before. But yes, these sea walls look quite intimidating. I don't know if there's a bangs up the top there. Unless there's a track, might be a train track. Nah. Now, I guess the other side there must be a beach of some sort. Lots of holiday homes for sale. Oh, Hive. Just as I sign off, we suddenly come into Hive, which is not far away from Folkestone, as I understand it. Don't know how significant a town it is. I've got it in my head that there's a ferry from here. I don't know why. I can't actually place where a ferry from here would go, but maybe there is. Right, looks like we're coming into Hyde Central. Getting by the traffic, and of course the now standard Aldi, always on the outskirts of a town. Aldi and a Lidl, as if councils didn't understand the logistics of destroying the local shops. And this is a coastal tourist route, as the sign says. Now there's a river, I don't know what river. There ought to be a standard Royal Military Canal, I beg your pardon. Royal Military Canal. Unusual, that. What an odd name. But as I was just about to say, whenever you cross a river, it should be well signposted, because they really are a point of geographical reference to people. You so often cross a river and don't know what river it is. And we are coming down onto Dover. You can see in the distance, hopefully. We're trying to find a viewing point or something out of the way. Actually, I think it's about the Britain Memorial just up the road, so maybe we would be well placed to go back up there. So theoretically, should come round here. Let's just roll around here, and there should be a roundabout pointing us the other way up, as it were. We are at there's a, I don't know, White Cliffs of Dover. I'm sure there's more parking. I've got a cafe. That looks more promising. Look up there. Okay. Bucket disabled. Let's do. Folkestone Harbour Wall done. Dave, I need fuel.
Oh yeah, okay.
Right. Last look at the sights of Dover. And get off to a petrol station. Going back the way we came now, retracing our steps along the 259 to New Romsey, Dymchurch, New Romsey, and then Hastings, which was a pleasant road, but of course now it's, I guess, what we call rush hour.